Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on your OnePlus Nord 6. Open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, and toggle Auto Brightness off and on again. Next, clean the AMOLED sensor near the front camera using a microfiber cloth. The brightness should adjust automatically after cleaning. Now restart your phone to refresh the sensors by pressing the power and volume up buttons together, then swipe up to restart. After the restart, enter your password and check for software updates. Go to Settings, System and Update, Software Update, and make sure you're on the latest version. If not, update it to avoid other glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.